Hi everyone, Said Are You Cars. This is our 2009 BMW 530D. It's an E60, it's the business edition. It's got 79,000 miles, 12 services, just 3 owners. Last guy's had it since 2011 or something silly. Gorgeous car, great condition, really nice spec, and the all important spider wheels. Everybody wants one of these with the spiders. This one's got the visibility pack with the bi-xenons, the 19-inch wheels, privacy glass, rear spoiler. Very nice condition, as you can see. This one's got the memory seats, electric steering column, big screen nav, heated seats, all of which are optional extras on the business model. Really nice car. There's a little chip there, look. A few marks on it, but nothing drastic. It's very good condition. Boot, all very clean. Does have this Alpine addition to the stereo, just to give you a bit better sound quality. And we've got a spare wheel in this one as well, which is a very rare option. Most of these are on run flats. All your toolkits up there and present. Inside we've got the black leather with the Isofix and the armrest. Rear electric windows, obviously. Again, all in very good condition. In the front, all much the same, very nice. Tiny bit of wear on the driver's bolster, but has to be expected. We've got the memory seats, folding mirrors, auto lights and wipers. We'll just start the vehicle so you can see there are no warnings. Just telling me that we need a key battery. Now these charge themselves when in the ignition. I've obviously picked the spare up. But other than that, no warnings. All very good. It's got dual climate control. Your heated seats down there. I don't know if you can see them. Just there, look. They're all working. It's got the slightly later iDrive controller. The electric steering column. Cruise control. Extending armrest. That's about it. In the centre you'll see that there are no warnings other than the battery and the remote. It just says charge it. We do that by using it. It charges in the ignition. Any service is good. Nothing else to worry about. We've got radio, just FM AM, and I just want to check if we've got Bluetooth. No, just auxiliary. So there you have it. Rare car, very nice, good spec. Yeah, if you want to book an appointment to view it, give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching.